Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to turn on the fast menu hold in God of War Ragnarök. First, using the arrow buttons, navigate to settings, accept using the X button, then navigate to gameplay, press the X button, then in the playstyle section navigate to menu holds using the X button and change it to fast or default depending on your preference using the arrow buttons. That's it for this video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and maybe leave a comment. Thanks for watching.